Okay, Tom went up flying today. He flew out of Jim's place. The last couple times he's gone up to Yale, so I don't get to see him. And I just was coming in from taking care of the animals and thought it was weird that he hadn't been over yet. Oh, I can see him. I don't know. Come on, get over here. I want to go in and get showered and run to the grocery store before I meet my sister-in-law for lunch. And he's kind of putting a monkey wrench in my plans here. Now where did he go? I don't know if you can hear him over all the wonderful birds. Everybody else is quiet. They're eating. Gary's still eating. Coco must have been. But the little boys ate and went in their shelter. So I don't know. This might not end up being a little video of him flying. If I get in the front yard, then I won't be able to see him. I won't be able to do a video because the front yard's all trees. CJ and I trimmed him up really, really good. A friend yesterday told me it makes the whole yard look different. But we didn't get to these back here, so that's one of my... I try to pick like a few big projects to get done in a month. So then that gives me, if I pick 3 or 4, that gives me a good week to get each of them done, depending on weather and all that stuff. But, well, I guess maybe, I don't know why he didn't fly over. Very peculiar. But, oh well, I guess I've wasted 2.5 minutes already. Might as well come see. So Milk and Cookies is gone. He was in a little pen for 2 weeks waiting to get picked up. He's went to a farmer who has a lot of big tall stuff he needs taken down. So he's putting Milk and Cookies there to eat it down, and then the goat will go to his son. Oh, here we go. All right, I hear him now. So this will end up being a long video, so I apologize ahead of time. Let's see. He's waving. Up into the tree. He's circling around. There he comes. Oh, no, off he goes. I'm sorry, I'm missing him. Oh, there he goes. All right. Well, that was that. What's his thing called? Is it called Tom's Flying Machine? Or I think it's called Tom's Flying Machine. So anyway, that was Tom. Here's a look at our big boy Gary. Oh, I feel like I hear him coming back. There's Gary. He did see me wave at him. He waved back. But I don't know. I hear like crazy, but I don't always know where I'm hearing from. So it sounds like he should be coming right back over here. Yep, here he comes. Right through. I'm getting them, the sun doesn't help me. He loves this. I don't know how he does it, but it's his, brings him joy, so that's all that matters, and kind of see him. All right, I hope everyone has a blessed day. Oh, today is Wednesday the 19th. Look how tall I am. I'm shrinking, but at least I like my shadow. It's still tall. So Wednesday the 19th. Echo, turn on garage light.
Okay.
I don't know if I'll be able to show it or not, but the mama Carolina wren is sitting on eggs. Oh, I don't know if you can see her little eyes. She's such a good mama. She's in there. She's got a little twig in front of her. But they were bound and determined to in Tom's nails. So soon there'll be 5. I marked down when I thought she was sitting, but I don't know if that was actually her sitting or if she was still laying eggs where there was 5 of them. So we'll see. Updates to follow. God bless.